How to view Spotify history. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can view Spotify history. So firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, go to the search bar on the top and search for Spotify. Now look for any updates that may be available. Once you do that, go back to your home page and open the Spotify application. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and go to Recents. Inside Recents, you will see an interface like this. All the music that you have played recently will be viewed here. Even though this has not been labeled as history, but this is history. All the singles or albums that you have listened to will appear right here. Now I'm just gonna go back to my home page. From there, go to your library. Inside library, click on playlist at the top, and just like that, from your own library, you can filter out playlists. This is easier for sorting out your preferences. If you want to add another playlist, click on the plus icon at the top right corner and select playlist. After that, in your new playlist, you can add musics. Follow these steps to add your music. So to sum up, you can go to recent to watch your Spotify history. That is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.